After a great day on the water, docking should be fast, simple, easy. With EasyPort Boat Lift, that's exactly what it is. Simply line up the boat, hook up the strap, and winch it up. That's it. It's easy. EasyPort is a remarkable breakthrough in marine management. A durable, low-maintenance system that operates as both a dock and a boat lift. EasyPorts have been engineered to perfectly adapt to a variety of conditions. Constructed of 5/16 to 3/8 inch thick polyethylene with UV stabilizer, all EasyPorts use only high-quality winches and heavy-duty Stoltz rollers. The modular sections let you create your own custom dock for various craft, even for one or more port configurations. EasyPorts are virtually trouble-free. By floating, they automatically adjust to any variation in water level. And EasyPort's unique design makes launching as simple as docking. Make sure when you put your boat up, it's safe and secure. Protect your investment with EasyPort. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3.